guys, so I'm bringing back these Sunday showcase videos, and if you're new to the channel, this is where I would get footage from y'all and post y'all's vehicles on the channel. This one is on Trey again. His truck is absolutely insane. It's definitely one of my favorite on Instagram, easily, definitely my favorite new body style. It sounds insane, but I wanted to use his footage for the video because he does have very good rollers. I know it's not super easy to get rollers and stuff. You gotta have some buddies that are into the same thing, but if you can get that content, then we'll put it together on the channel, make it happen. DM me on Instagram. A lot of people send me very short clips, and honestly, it's just not worth it. For super short stuff, it's gotta be over a couple minutes worth of stuff. I think it's a real cool way for me, not necessarily to give back, but just have other people's opportunity to be showcased. And hey, if your truck's really cool, the video comes out good, it can pop off and get hundreds of thousands of views, and your Instagram or whatever could blow up, and it'd be awesome for you. Ask. His setup is kind of on, he kind of keeps it on lock. He told me what it is. Awesome setup, but he doesn't want everyone to know, so respecting that, just like I did in the first video. Comment down below if you want to see more Sunday showcases, if you're excited for them to come back. And yeah, if I get a bunch of DMs, people want to send in footage, we'll keep it going. So that being said, hopefully you do enjoy. Check out his truck because it is freaking amazing.